Gold yesterday created a bullish candle. It is a small one that the price has bounced from the support 3207.74. The price could not manage to go above this area of resistance, but also could not manage to go below this area of support. So we can see it is inside this previous candle, which means again indecision between the buyers and the sellers. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we'll see how the price has behaved yesterday, and then will see that here the price formed a gap starting the week. So the difference between the close price of the Friday and the open price of the Monday, we can see it's a gap. The gap has not still been filled, which means I'm expecting that the price will drop down to close this gap at least. Well, when this will happen, as it looks right now, it will be probably done today, because what we can see yesterday, the price was trying to move higher, and it has reached 323.99, a resistance level, and from there the price would turn back down, forming this indecision candle. But the price could not manage to go further down below this area of support, and we can see for the 2 hours, for the 4-hour time frame, the price could not manage to go below this area of support, which means there is a strong bullish pressure here that has prevented the price from reaching lower levels. And we can see this is the area where the price could not go down, but the price was trying to move higher. So the buying pressure was still stronger than the selling, and the price could not manage to go above this area, which means this is where the sellers are waiting. After that, the price has gone down, and we can see the price managed to form several bearish candles, and currently it is at the support level. On the 1-hour time frame, we will see that the price has significantly dropped down to this area of support, and it has retraced slightly. Where the price could go today, we will see, but the very important support level is this one here, and it looks right now that there is a much stronger selling pressure than it is a buying pressure. And we can see that this candle body has managed to go all the way here and closing almost below this area of support, which was not the case in the yesterday case, which means there is still some buying pressure, but not so strong like in this example here, because the sellers have managed to push the price down and almost closed below this area. So this was almost a bearish breakout, but it is not. But currently how the market looks much more bearish, so there is a high chance that the price could manage to go below, but until the breakout happens, I'm still waiting outside of the market. So I'm waiting to see where the market will go, and then I will follow the market instead of chasing. So for now, for the 1-hour time frame, we can see that there is a selling pressure stronger than it is the buying pressure. Then we have a 4-hour time frame, which is also showing that there is a potential that the 4-hour time frame candle closes below this area of support. So we can see if the price on the 4-hour time frame forms this bearish candle and it closes the price below this area where these two open and close price of these two candles are, this will mean that this small support has been broken on the 4-hour time frame, and it will allow the price to attack again this area of support. Now this is the area which is 3217, and if we go here 3224, it's very close to this one, but it is 3217 is this one here, and we can see how the price is managing to make a bearish breakout. On the 1-hour time frame, this bearish breakout has been formed with this strong bearish candle, and on the 4-hour time frame, we are still waiting. So this will be the first sign that the price will try to make a bearish breakout below the area of the support. If this support holds and the price returns back up, the first resistance that the price needs to make a breakout is this one here, where we can see that 3 candles could not manage to go above this area of resistance, which is 3229, very close to 3230. On the 1-hour time frame, we'll see that 3230 is around this area here. Here it is, but we can see on the 1-hour time frame much closely that the precise level that needs to be broken is this one, 3234. After the price managed to break above this area of resistance on the 1-hour time frame, it will be a signal that the price will try to move again to 3243.99. So these are the small levels that we can watch closely, and when the breakout happens, the price will tend to move. But currently we are here in the bearish mode, which I'm expecting that the price will try to move further down. But until that happens on the 4-hour time frame, and after that, if the price manages to make a breakout on the 4-hour time frame below this area of support, this will open the price to reach lower levels, and the first level where the price will try to reach is this one area here, which is around 3190. So for now on the daily time frame we can see that it is indecision candle from the yesterday that needs to be broken also on the upper side or on the lower side. On the upper side it is around 3240 and that is here, or 3243, especially on the 1 hour time frame. We can see that it is also on the 4 hour time frame. If it is broken, it will allow the price to reach higher price levels, which is 3272.61. Now if the price managed to go down, which I have said, it is around 3190 if I remember correctly. Just a minute, where it is. Here it is around 3189, and especially on the 1 hour time frame it will be around 3197 and then 3182. We will see that the price will try to move further down, and we can see there is a high potential that the price will stop around this area, maybe making a wick. But on the daily time frame we can see that this is the area that the price will tend to move down if the price goes below this area of support. So this will be the target for the bears if the breakout happens on the 4 hour time frame. So we have several levels that we need to watch but closely. After the price makes a bullish or bearish breakout, I will share that inside the premium analysis with the traders. The link will be below in the description, so you can also feel free to check that. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.